Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Benjamin, and today I brought you another amazing behind the scenes episode. So today I'm with one of Uganda's top slay queens. You guys have always asked, like, what's slay queen? But here we are, and
Hi guys, how are you? My name is Trish, aka the Smile Queen, and I'm here with one of the biggest photographers, Mr. Playkala, and we're here to take you through our shoot. Have fun, it's a birthday shoot. Love you guys. Subscribe to this channel and you'll enjoy the entertainment.
Alright, so guys, I'm going to take you through the settings, the setup and everything. It's basically an indoor shoot. We are just using one light. One camera, one light. Don't go away, okay? So I'm using for my main light, which is the only light I'm going to be using in this video, I'm using the Godox AD600BM. This is a pretty powerful light and I love it because, you know, it does all the hard work for me. This is an octabox from Nice Photo. It's 120 centimeter, I believe so, yes. Today I've just decided to boom it a little because what the boom does, it helps your softbox get out of the way. If you're just putting the softbox on just one stand, then it will be in the way, but with the boom it helps you to have it out of the way so you can shoot your model nice and clean, without any distractions. So it's great. And this here is our lovely model of the day, Trish, Smile Queen. Please follow her on her socials, and let's enjoy the shoot. So guys, for my camera I am using the 6D Mark II with the Godox X2T trigger. This is the setup with a 50mm, but I might switch as well to the 85mm. That is how my shoot is going to be for today. So please enjoy, and Alright guys, welcome and thank you again for tuning in today. Yes, first of all, I want to thank you guys for subscribing. I hit 100 subscribers and that feels amazing. It's super amazing. So I want to thank all of you guys who have subscribed to this channel. Thank you for subscribing. It means a lot to me. It really does mean a lot to me. Yes, so in this episode I just want to share with you guys a few tips on how to take your indoor photo shoots to the next level. Stick to the end of please watch this video to the end if you want to see how these pictures turned out. Yes, stick to the end and you will see how these photos looked. Yes, so tip number one, always test your light before you get into the shooting. Test your light, it's very important. I like to first of all shoot without the flash or the strobe, so I can get to know how dark the photo is, and then I will turn on the lights and then begin to shoot. That's very important. Number two, I set my camera to raw versus JPEG, because when you shoot raw, then you have the ability to edit your photo the best way possible. A raw photo has more detail to it. It gives you more ability to retouch. Yes. Number 3 is always have a reflector on you. If you're doing these simple indoor photo shoots, you always need to use a reflector. This will help you to bounce some light back to your subjects, back to the model's face, so that you can have softer shadows and a glow on the face, you know, a more flattering kind of look. Yeah, because these are beauty kind of pictures that we do. These are beauty portraits, so you need that kind of look. If you do not have a reflector, maybe then you can have a second light. You can position it slightly under the model's chin, and then you can achieve that same look. But a reflector would really do the job. Yeah, guys, I always like to encourage you to, you know, compliment your models or your subject. This always works because it keeps the mood really light. It keeps the mood, you know, good, and it makes the pictures look much better. You know, when you're having this kind of feedback, your model needs to know whether they're doing a good job. So this kind of effect is really good, so keep encouraging them. And also you need to be confident so that you can help to pose or guide them. If you want better looking images, that is really, really important, guys. And the other thing is, guys, try not to take so long on one pose. After you pose your model, take a few pictures, maybe 4 photos, and move on to the next pose. Not take so long. And in a situation where you have set your light completely perfect and your model is in one position, then you can have them ideally change after every click, you know. Just keep on shooting like bam, 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 you know that thing, huh? It's really amazing. So guys, I will be sharing with you a video of how I edited these photos. Be sure to check it out. And guys, if you're new here, please consider subscribing, and if you've enjoyed the video, give it a like, and you can share it with your friends. This really means a lot to this channel. Let us see this channel grow from one level to another, and I'll keep sending you guys these amazing videos. So you can grow with your skill, and also, you know, to learn one thing or another. So thank you again for watching, and let's see how these pictures turned out.
Hi guys, so we've come at the end of our shoot. Yes, I hope you enjoyed every detail that was in this shoot. It was lovely, fun, and most importantly, it was with one of the best photographers around town, Mr. Playkala, alongside the Smile Queen. Yes, let us know where you're watching from by leaving a comment, a like, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel, Mr. Playkala. I remain Smile Queen. You can follow me. That's my social media handle, Smile Queen everywhere. See you next time. Bye bye.